Okay, everybody. Hopefully, as we enter week 3 here, everybody is feeling good and doing okay. Um, when you log in on Monday morning, this green folder for week 3 will be available for you. Everybody's folder will say English 2, week 3, April 20th through 24th, 2020. It says unpublished right now, but it'll publish in the morning. I'm doing this for you on Sunday night, so just bear with me here. So once you get into your specific class period, you click on your folder, and I just have a rundown here for you of everything that I need you to work on this week. You want to start right here. This is your to-do list. So this week, I want you to continue your writer's notebook 4 out of 5 days. I want you to continue your reading log for 4 out of 5 days. Remember, you're shooting for 30 minutes a day. You have one Newsella article that I want you to complete this week. It's called Reopening Society Amid the Coronavirus. Looks like what we're getting ready to do here in Ohio. So you will read that article, you will answer the 4-question quiz, and then complete the ELA writing section. Whenever you do the writing section, make sure that you include textual evidence, otherwise I will take points off. And as we usually do, you can email me if you would like me to reset your quiz so that you can have a second chance to take it. But I'm only doing quiz resets by email. And then the last thing I need you to do is complete your Unit 11 vocabulary in your workbooks. At the end of the week, you'll submit pictures and then begin practicing with Unit 11 vocabulary on Quizlet. I want you to try 3 different activities on Quizlet this week. It could be flashcards, it could be the gravity game, and it could be a practice test. Whatever you want, I just want you to try 3 different activities. Okay, so the next thing in the folder, let's go back to the main folder screen here. This is the submission video that I emailed to you guys. I believe it was at the beginning of last week. This is a reminder for how you submit your work to me at the end of the week. You only need to watch this if you need to review, okay? Please, if you are not submitting your work correctly and you're getting messages from me about it, please review this video and make sure that your work is getting turned in the right spot. Here's my rolling list of writing seeds. I'm keeping this updated. I'm starting to throw some other stuff on the list. So if you're struggling for something to write about, please just log on to here. These are all embedded links. This week, I talked about governors forming a compact to reopen America. That was one of the articles I found. The industries most affected by the pandemic. And then this rescued sea turtle, which was just a fun story, just something different. So those are on there if you're running out of things to write about. Here's a link to your Newsella article. You can use that link to get to your article, but you can always just open a new tab, go to Newsella, get into your binder, and look for this title, Reopening Society Amid Coronavirus. And then here's a link to your Unit 11 vocabulary on Quizlet. Remember, I want you to shoot for 3 new activities on Quizlet this week. And don't forget that you can add the Quizlet app on your phone. And as long as you're logging in with the same information, it will track your progress from your phone to your computer and back and forth too as well. Okay, here is where you submit your work at the end of the week. So here's your submission document. You want to open that up. And again, I have detailed for you everything that you need to include. Make sure you put in your name. This week, your work submission needs to include a share link to your ongoing writer's notebook, the share link to your ongoing reader's log. Newsella is on Newsella, so you don't need to submit anything here for that. And then for number 4, embed pictures of your Unit 11 work from your vocab workbook. And then I will check your work on Quizlet myself, so you don't need to add a screenshot or anything for that. Once you get everything input into this document, you will click Submit, okay, and it will go from In Progress here to my Submit section here. And everybody's classroom list looks a little bit different, but make sure that you are clicking the Submit button so that I can see that you are submitting your work, you're done, and you're good to go. All right, so last thing that's in the folder this week here, I have put the whole unit materials in here to review only if you need to. This was from the first week where we started. The videos are here, the reader's log is here, the writer's notebook, the writing seeds, and then the introduction to the unit itself. This is just here, says it for you right here. Review only if you need to, okay? But I'm going to make sure I start including that every week, just for those of us that need to go back and need a little refresher or need some clarification or might have a question. All right, so that is your to-do list for this week, 4 out of 5 days. Just do the best you can, you guys, and make sure that you get in touch with me if you need absolutely anything. And then I will get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. So, all right, let's have a good week here, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, you guys.